Okay, we're at, go ahead.
Oh, are you taping me? Don't tape me.
No. Too late. Much too late.
The anniversary is August 18th, not the 19th.
You know that's on YouTube, right? No!
Mary is the first woman ever that does not know her anniversary.
Nice.
And Mike knows it.
That's got to be worth points.
That guy!
We're going to zoom on that. Yes, sir. Okay. We are at August
Are we ready to go?
Saturday
Are we ready to go?
with incoming host,
Mark Bernovus.
and he is ready to spin for September's selection.
And here we go.
The speaker, this is so cool.
Number 9.
Number 9 is Extreme Beer.
Because there's not a mark here, I gotta say, that's a stupid selection. In honor of the Martin brothers.
Very good, sir.
I'm going to try to get 14, just to hear Mike's explanation.
Spin number 2, please.
Number 9.
Number 9, that would be Extreme Beer.
Did I mention it's a stupid selection?
You might have.
I know our anniversary.
Spin number 3.
That took a while.
Number 12.
Number 12.
Bitters.
Number 12. Bitters. Well, as incoming host,
We got extreme or bitters.
incoming host being present, because you hit one twice, you can go ahead and choose Extreme and Bitters, or
Spin again.
you can spin again.
I'm going to take a 4th spin.
Fourth spin.
Incoming gets 4?
I am the
He's supposed
first
to say one twice.
host to have a 4-spin roll.
That's true.
I'm unaware of the 4-spin rule.
Ready? Here we
That's
go.
because nobody's been present for the last 4 months.
What would be number 9 again?
Number 17.
17 would be
Never had.
Never Had. Always a favorite.
Oh, I am
Never
gonna
Had.
go. We're going to go with Never Had and Extreme.
Never Had and Extreme.
Never had and extreme. Now it's Kirsten's turn.
So be it.
Cares so much.
That's it.
Laura, you're about to be on YouTube, Laura. Say hi. Wait, do something. Because you're going on YouTube.
Very good.
You might as well smile. You're going to be on YouTube. Might as well smile.
Show us your tattoo.
Never Had
And Extreme.
and Extreme.
Yes, sir.
Any other comments? You know the date?
September 26th.
September 26th.
Are you sure that date?
I was thinking of Mary's anniversary,
Which
which is the 18th.
she can't argue with because she's not sure.
I know.
Details to follow.